In this video, we're going to take a look at the Nami Sushi and Tamarind restaurant on the Holland America Koningsdam, coming up right after this.
Tamarind and Nami Sushi, Deck 10, Holland America Koningsdam.
As Cheryl maneuvers around in the restaurants here, you'll see that there is plenty of space for people with mobility devices to get in and navigate. Obviously, it'll be less space when it's in use. We got in before it opened. We don't like to get people in our videos. But Cheryl's going to go through here and give you a quick tour of the dining area. You're going to want to stay to the end because at the end we've got all the food we tried and there were some really interesting dishes there. Okay, so there is our cocktail menu, and we're going to go through and look at the menus and then at some of the food dishes. There's a welcome to Tamarind page in the menu. And then here's your starters. And so we'll talk a little bit about the starters we had. Cheryl started with the shiitake and tofu spring rolls, which she liked. And then she also had the Chinese 5-spice baby back ribs, and she thought those were really good as well. I would have 2 appetizers. My first one was the Thai steak salad. Now, it was excellent with one exception. I couldn't get it as hot as I really like it. I would have preferred it to have more spice available. My next appetizer was the Tom Kha Gai. And again, it was just not as spicy as I would liked, but it was very good. Now, here are our main course options. And again, I'll share with you what we ate. We liked everything. Cheryl had the Cashew Berimundi with the red Thai curry, and she thought it was excellent. I would have the Thai basil Szechuan shrimp, and again, the flavor was amazing. The only challenge was there wasn't enough heat in it, but I was able to get chili to add. I also had a side order of the Dungeness crab fried rice, which was very good. Here's a look at the dessert menu, and on that, this is the yuzu cheesecake, which was very tasty, and this is the mango posset, and we both tried each other's desserts, and we liked both of them.